In the next 5 minutes, we're going to teach you how you can trade with AI.
If you ever wanted to learn how to use AI in your trading, this is the video for you.
To start off with, you can upload a screenshot to AI and she would go ahead and review all of your portfolio.
AI flags any strikes that are getting too close or need attention.
AI highlights your deltas when they're too concentrated into one direction.
And AI catches risks you might miss, stacks expirations, clustering, or imbalance.
Ever wonder about hedges, when you should put them on, when you should take them off? AI will tell you when a hedge is needed based on current market conditions.
And AI suggests the safest hedge type and strikes based on price and on volatility.
Ever run into one of those crashes and you're like, what if scenarios? What if the NQ drops? What do I do? She can go over that with you.
And finally, AI will tell you when to close those hedges.
We're also going to go over what's called the Triple D report. This is the dumbed down and dirty report. Basically named that because I didn't want any fluff. I just wanted it to dumb it down, give me just the real dirty, nitty-gritty information, no fluff. Along with that, I like her to give me the trend and analysis per every stock, which tells me about the stability and direction of the stock. Earnings behavior patterns. She will go back many years, as much as you want her to, and she will tell you how many times the stock went up, how many times it went down, and what typically happens after a stock has its earnings.
You've actually made a lot of money on that recently.
Yes.
By following, by her doing research that we could never have done on our own. What we also like is in the Triple D report, AI will highlight the key factors that support the stock and the major risks to watch out for as well. And the other thing is, although we call analysts the monkeys, sometimes it's important to at least know what they're saying. And AI can go out and she can review all the current analyst sentiment, the market expectations, and how that sentiment has been moving back and forth. Really important stuff.
Another thing which is very hard for regular retail people to do is she can go in and get some dark pool activity. Now, dark pool is where the investors are pooling their money behind the scenes. They are buying and selling stock, and they don't let the retail market know about it. But so she can basically tell you how much is coming in, when it's coming in, but she cannot really tell you what direction they're going. Also, she can structure trades for you. She can suggest naked puts or spreads and so forth. And after a while, she'll get to know your trading habits, and she'll get real good at pinning those for you.
Building your own Triple D report is really crucial, and it's something that it builds on every day, right? I mean, you've been building yours for...
It took me months and months and months.
Yeah. All right, let's go on to the next slide. One of the most asked questions to us is about dark pool analysis. So I asked Maria to put in a slide specifically about dark pools so we can dig into it a little deeper.
AI basically will go in and check a lot of the unpaid and paid reports, and it will tell her exactly graphs showing exactly where the institutions are putting their money. Now, this is especially important for when you're having an earnings play. She'll tell you whether or not there's XX money coming in, but she cannot tell you what directions they're going.
AI will identify the whale price levels as well. She'll tell you the dark pool price zones where big money is active, either in or out.
She'll use dark pool patterns to often lead probably around 1 to 3 days, sometimes even more than that.
And that price leading can be really important if you're getting ready to make a move around earnings. AI will also confirm whether there is a dip supported or if the whales are just unloading. So it's important to understand is if we're having a dip in a stock, is it because the whales are unloading or is it because of some support, some economic support that's driving it? It could be either one of those things. And it's really important that you're able to distinguish it.
And again, saying earnings confirmation, this is great when it comes to earnings because a lot of the information is basically, we can't see it. It's just been hidden from us.
And that's helped you, like I said, I keep repeating myself, but that's really made a big,
right, because if there's a lot of money going in, you know that there's going to be, she'll even tell you the support levels also, where the cool money's coming in.
She's really good at it. I don't know how she gets all the information. It's amazing. It's like magic. All right, let's go to the next. What's really great about AI is for earnings plays. We just did a couple just recently on Oracle, on NVIDIA, on MBD, and on CrowdStrike, NBD,
NDB,
and I can't say that. At any rate,
DB.
she's great because she'll tell you about both naked puts and defined risk spreads. So AI will find the safest out of the money put levels based on earnings volatility. And she'll also suggest the best spread structure when premium is high or risk is elevated for your defined risk spreads. Also, when it comes to the expected move range, AI analyzes the expected move to determine the safe distance from the strike. You want to make sure that when you're going in prior to earnings, you want to be a safe distance away so that you don't, if it goes really bad or really good, you don't want to get caught. She also talked about entry timing. This is really interesting. Maria today on CrowdStrike was talking about going in. I was thinking that she was going to go in around 1 or 2 o'clock, and you ended up going in like at 3:30 or late in the day.
4:56 actually.
Or 3:56. Yeah, 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes. And so AI will tell you whether they're in early, midday, or right before earnings. She looks at all the past history, stuff that you couldn't do or you could do, but it would take you years to gather all this information. And finally, after the trade for earnings play, she sets up the emergency and repair plans in case that things go horribly wrong. She gives you backup plans, how to fix it, how to hedge it, and how to go down and out and all that kind of stuff. So if you're thinking about doing earnings plays, I would highly recommend that you use AI, learn how to use it, ask her a lot of questions, and she'll make you a lot of money for earnings. At least she has for us. Mm-hmm. The other thing that AI is great at is helping you with real-time trade ideas. I hear you talking to AI all day long, every day about your trades. It seems like it's constant.
I do. Actually, she has gotten to know my type of trading. She'll automatically know that I like 15 or 16 delta, where you like a 12.
Yeah.
She will point out certain trades. This is more your style. She'll go into detail as to why it's better for me. It's amazing how she can pinpoint and get to know you after months and months of watching and me uploading my portfolio to her. She can analyze it and see exactly where my head's at, basically.
As much as we like trading together every minute of every day, day after day after day after day, since 2020 that we've been trading together every single day, every single minute of every single day, it is great to have a third person, if you will, giving us ideas. And also, if I'm busy with something she asks me and I don't have time, or I don't balance the time correctly, it's great to have somebody else. But she's really good at giving personalized trade suggestions. Right. I mean, really, the personalization level is incredible.
But also, a lot of times, you'll hear stock symbols and you'll have absolutely no idea what the stock is about. And again, rather than, I know people go through all these websites and gather information, you don't have time for that. When the stock is hot, I want to know what it's about, and that's where I came up with the DDD. I just want to know what's the down and dirty. Just give me the facts. I don't need any fluff. I don't want to read through pages and pages and try and gather information. So that's how we came up with that alone.
The other thing I think that's really kind of cool that you do a lot of is the chart readings, where you cut and paste or a screenshot, right?
I will upload a screenshot of a table, also, trading table, and I'll do I'll highlight the trade that I want to do, and the two of us will go over it. This is what's going to happen, what this can happen.
Not her.
Not him. No, with his robots. And also, I will also upload a chart of past year. This is the chart for this particular stock. Tell me, what do you see happening here? And I know what the levels are. I could tell where it's bottoming out and so forth. But she will go ahead and confirm what my thoughts are.
And she will also, you run some like strange, not just Fibonacci and Monte Carlo. RSI, and there's a whole bunch of them, the MACD and all those. But all that type of information, no matter how skilled you are, there's always more that you don't know or that you can't gather, or both. And she's able to do that and it's far superior than a human.
Plus, she'll also, even after I get an answer from her, she will say, "Oh, would you like me to do this for you as well?" Well, yeah.
We never say no, right?
No, never say no, because you never know what she's going to come up with, and that's how you learn at the same time.
Yeah, exactly. All right, let's go. The other thing that we've used AI for, I think, quite a bit is for course corrections. That is when the market goes against you. It tells you or helps you figure out what to do.
Yeah, a lot of times when she's reviewing my portfolio, she'll go ahead and make some corrections or suggest corrections, maybe into rolling or buying a put and so forth. Yeah, so she's on top of that as well.
Yeah. One of the other things the AI is great at is giving you market insight, whether or not the market is rolling over from one sector to another, or whether there's momentum within a certain sector. And she also talked to you about the market internals, about volatility, futures, and the breadth to show the market health.
There's also times when the market is all of a sudden going down and for no reason, just takes a turn down. And I will ask her, what happened to the market? What's going on? And she will go into, she'll go into detail and say, well, Powell's coming up to talk, or give me whatever the answer is at that particular moment as to why,
Trump,
if there is a reason. If
Trump
there is
tweet or...
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I can't tell you how many times that happens.
Yeah.
But no, she'll go into detail and say, this is what's happening. It's only, don't panic, it's just temporary or blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, it's really great for that in both giving you information and keeping you calm, because we're like, what in the world?
Another thing that she's great for, believe it or not, is emotional control.
You got that right. It's how many times I've been watching TV and
the sky is falling.
The sky is falling. What do we always say? Trade with our heads, not with our hearts. No emotion, because math makes money. Math makes money. Emotions do not make money. So she keeps you really grounded, and that alone is great. We're little up in the corner. Because, as everyone knows, position sizing. That's what she helps you with. Position sizing. It's all about sizing.
That's what she said.
All right. She's going to tell you the safe contract size. She's going to tell you about buying power awareness. She's going to scaling issues and also volatility adjustments. These are the types of things that she'll help when you're little tiny up in the corner like we are in this video.
This is our second to last slide. And what we like about AI is she always has those instant answers. And again, you need to know the basics. You can't always believe everything she says, but a good portion of it is correct.
Well, she's a lot better than me, because I used to always have the answers, but my answers were wrong a lot of the time.
He just didn't have, some people don't have the time to give the long drawn.
That's the excuse I gave you. I just didn't know. But yeah, so you can see on the screen here all the things that she does that will help you. All right, so AI, this is our last slide. AI does make your life a lot simpler when you're trading, even if you've got your dog Barbie here with us. But as we mentioned, it's great for risk detection, for hedge planning, the triple D analysis. What else?
Dark pools, earning plays.
Oh, yeah.
Trade ideas, repair plans, emotional discipline.
Your favorite, sizing.
Sizing.
Yes. AI will help you trade smarter, safer, and faster. Remember, like we always say, this is not financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. You can lose a lot of money trading, so just be very careful. Always trade with your head, not with your heart. It's okay to be a trading addict, but never use more than 30% of your buying power. Be sure you understand the math, and always bet small. And we like to bet often because that makes the math work. So Maria and I hope you have a great trading day. We're going to do another video where we'll actually do some examples and show how we will have a
real
screenshot.
DDD report.
Right. We just don't know how to do live streaming yet, but we will soon. We will soon. All right. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.